What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Phil.
I'm Nessa.
And today we're back with another video featuring Snack Crate.
So last month we went to Colombia and we got to try different snacks. So this month, I don't know where we're going yet, so we're about to find out.
I'm low-key excited because I've been waiting to do this for a long time.
Yeah, it's long overdue.
Alright, let's jump in.
Chill, bro. So we're going to
Germany. Alright, let's see what we got.
wow.
It was easier last time. It's not my fault.
It's a sticker.
First up is chips fresh.
I'm sure that's not how you say that, but yeah. Oh, Lay's.
What's that? Like barbecue. It tastes like Germany, right?
It's like a salt and vinegar Lay's.
I don't like that.
Okay.
You gotta hold it up.
Jeez. I need some water for this one. Hold on. Alright, so the next one is I don't know how to say it.
It's percussion. Percussion. Got it. Got it. I got it. I always know how to read.
Alright, bro. How you say it?
It's alright. Let's go.
Oh, they're crackers. I think.
So this has absolutely no smell.
Yeah, none.
I don't even know. It's not bad. What does it taste like? It tastes like
waffles.
something.
Like
It
a
tastes like
waffle
something.
thing.
You know what? I'm gonna figure it out by the end of the video, but it tastes like something familiar. I just can't put it. All right. Next up, we got. You can try that one. I can't even. Maybe our illustrious director can figure it out. Figure out how to say it.
Yeah, I got nothing.
Erdnub? Locken?
There we go.
See,
That's
see?
that.
Look at
Yup. With that same accent.
That's why you get
You
paid
heard
the big
that?
bucks.
Y'all heard that? Okay. Cheetos
Is that what it is?
with
Seasoned Cheetos.
cheddar Cheetos. Smell like peanuts.
But it doesn't taste like peanuts.
It don't.
Wow.
It's not bad though.
I don't really like it. Put it down. Put it down. Put it
Bro, let me enjoy the snack.
Yo, so I'm definitely excited about this one.
So our next one is here. You can try that one.
Can we go back to the other one? Can we go back to the other
What
one?
other one?
The people are watching. Can we please go back to the other one? So I don't know if y'all remember last time in our Colombia video, they gave us some similar gummies. I don't even need to taste this. I know it's banging. Haribo?
So we just won't taste it since you guys know how gummies are, you know.
No. We're gonna taste this one. I can taste it by myself.
I don't know.
You want to try some? Director?
I do. This is a volcano?
This is like
Haribo Volcano.
they got the little thing on the inside.
Yeah, I got everything.
Put it back. Put it back.
All right. Go ahead. You got the next one.
It's very chewy, but delicious. So the next one is called Bueno. So
I thought this was Germany. What?
it says Bueno. So
Okay.
back on it.
You might be saying it wrong.
It's a Snicker bar. There's more wrapping. Put that up.
Yeah, they're like wrapped like Kit Kats. So.
It tastes like Kit Kat.
No.
It does.
No.
It's a Kit Kat.
No. Not at all.
In different wrapping.
Not at all.
What it tastes like? It's the gummies.
But I don't want any more.
It's not that bad. I think it's the gummies. Let me try it again.
Alright, well while she's trying that, I'm gonna move on to the next one. And she could just catch up. Because that's very disgusting. Alright. Our next one. You ready? It's called Knoppers.
That's not how you say it, but okay.
Knoppers? Oh. So it's like one big fried dish. I mean.
So
or
last,
you can just take a bite out of it.
yeah, well, last month we had something else that looked like this. It was real nasty.
Okay, you know, a real sweet vanilla. What was it? The wafers.
Yeah.
Just really sweet chocolate. All right, I think something else. We gotta go with something else.
I'll just go back to this.
More water. Yo, come on, man. Yo. All right. First Tiger Nesper Puffers. I'm not even sure how to
Open them without.
maneuver this. Let me pour some for you.
No, I got you.
No, I got it.
Let me do you first.
No.
I got it.
Hey, be careful.
All right, so he didn't like this one, so I don't even need to try it.
No, try it.
It looks amazing.
Try it. I'm so confused. That's not what I expected at all.
Oh, interesting. It has a sour taste?
It has a sour taste. It's not sweet. I was expecting Fruity Pebbles-ish.
Yeah,
Not even
but
that. Not even that.
It tastes like that sour candy that you put in. What's that sour candy that like when you put it in your mouth and it just ugh? It's like sour head, sour something. It's,
Lemon heads.
No,
Oh.
no, but it don't taste like lemon head.
You don't know.
So the next one we have is called Marmor Kutchen. I don't know how
All
to
right,
say it.
you gotta give it a little more German than that, bro. Just
I ain't
a
got
little more.
nothing. I ain't got
Let me
nothing.
see. Marmor Kutchen.
You did great.
I know I did. Go ahead. I went to Palm Beach State.
So we're advertising for Palm Beach State now?
No.
Okay. So this video is also featuring Palm Beach State. What's up, Palm Beach State?
I don't know.
I think this is dark chocolate, and I don't mess with dark chocolate at all.
Apparently Germany loves chocolate.
Yeah, everything's been chocolatey.
Real chocolate.
Here, you should
No.
try it.
No.
Try it.
Listen.
You
Listen.
have to try it.
You got it. You got it.
I don't like.
Remember,
dark
I took the team for the.
You took the team? Yeah, you
gummy,
did take the
for
team.
gummy. Indulge yourself. What's in there?
No, nothing.
I just want to see what was in
Don't
there.
worry about it.
Okay.
You don't want to try it.
All right.
You want to try it?
No, I don't.
You want to try it?
All right, I'll try a little bit. Moon pie. That's what that is. That's a moon pie. That's exactly what that is.
Yeah.
This looks like another wafer type candy. Hunada.
That was not British at all.
Because we're not in Britain.
Oh, whoa. We're not.
We're not in England. That's
That
why.
wasn't Russian at all.
That's why.
I was thinking
We're not in Russia either.
We're not. Where are we at? Oh, we're in Germany. Oh my.
We're in Germany.
Wow, that's
Jesus.
crazy.
Good Lord.
I know. My
Snack
bad,
Crate,
y'all.
please don't find us for getting
My bad.
Okay, so I like this one. You have one. And I have one. Good job, Germany. This was a better idea.
What's the snack called? You didn't even tell nobody.
I did. It's hunada. You said
It's
that.
what?
You said that didn't sound
Oh, you're
British.
right.
Remember?
Yeah. Hunada. Hunada.
Again, more chocolate. You ready? Ready for this? A lot crunchier than the other one.
That's good. That's good.
That's not bad. It's not bad. Last but not least, we got some other candies in here, some little small stuff. But I'm sure she's not gonna let me eat any more of the gummies.
No. We're good on gummies for today.
But we got another drink. Mezzo Mix.
Let's hope it's better than last
It's my
time.
favorite part.
Last time we had the soda from Colombia. It just tasted like nothing.
So it's giving me Coca-Cola vibes, but then it has a little orange in there. So maybe like an orange flavored Coca-Cola. Take a third one, like wine. You know when you're drinking wine, it takes 3 sips to actually get the taste. What do you think?
It does taste like
Yeah.
Coca-Cola. Maybe not like Coke, Pepsi, and like orange soda.
So we got Happy Hippo and some more gummies
That we won't try.
that we want to try. I feel like it's more chocolate. I can't say
Yeah.
it's more chocolate.
This
But-
feels like chocolate.
Overall, what do you feel about Germany?
Honestly, I'm not feeling Germany like that. It wasn't all that. The soda's good this time. I didn't like Colombia's soda, but that's probably my favorite part. Actually, no, my favorite part was the gummy.
Gummy?
Yeah, those were good. Like they were really good. Everything else was just too much.
Real quick, if you look at it, there's like a little volcano inside of the gummy.
Oh yeah, I do.
I might have to order some more, dude. I might have them on the website, but I'm not gonna do any more shameless plugs. Anyway, that's it for today, y'all. That was Germany. Stick around. We'll be coming to you very, very, very quickly with another video featuring Snack Crate. Can't wait to see where it's from. That's it for now. Signing off. See you guys.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. Peace.